most of these tents, they have canvases over them. I can imagine it's pretty cold. Some of them, I noticed people using propane canisters to heat themselves. So it's kind of dangerous, but I've seen that a few times. Just driving around in the snow, see what the situation is in the downtown Eastside. So today we're going to have a bigger snowfall than what we had a few days ago. People shoveling snow. I wonder if those are city workers or... Okay, they see the fire inside some of those tents. So some of these homeless people, they said they're used to the cold, but I can't imagine. I can't imagine all the time if they're staying out in the cold all the time. There's a lady carrying some fire. Okay, you'll see in a second. Somebody carrying fire. There it is. They're carrying some fire as they're crossing the street to keep warm. So these tents are pretty well covered in snow as well. So it's going to be a long night. There's going to be a lot of snow. So it just started snowing about maybe an hour. It's been a bit of snow all day, but there's sort of starting up again about an hour ago. So not as many tents down here, but on this corner in the parking lot here, there are some tents. And right here is a TD Bank. There was a person that broke the windows, and then they arrested him, and then when he was released, he broke the windows again. That's right on my right there. So there's going to be temporary housing set up for the homeless people, but that won't be ready until March. So the Vancouver City Mayor, Ken Sim, and the provincial Premier, David Eby, they're looking at a short-term temporary situation where they will have housing for the homeless people. So we're just heading into Chinatown. On my right here, where it says Jack Chow Insurance, that's where the most narrow commercial building in the world, right there. So it's one of our tourist attractions. It's the world's most narrow building, most narrow commercial building in the world. So I'll put it well, everything is shut down in Chinatown. I don't know of any stores open. Supposedly there was some kind of a graffiti thing on the news. I didn't see it, so I can't really make a comment on that. So there was supposed to be some kind of a racist thing. I can't verify it, so I'm looking for a graffiti, see if there's anything different. So I don't notice anything different in terms of graffiti, anything major. But it was supposed to be something racist or something. I don't see any different kind of graffiti. Still people walking around here. I don't know where they're going or where they're from, but people walking around this area. Well, Chinatown, people wandering around, but there's a place for chicken here. I had chicken here before. Maybe I'll go have a piece of chicken. So it's just on Main Street off Hastings. Are you open? Oh, the chicken place is closed. That's a grocery store. Just gonna go have a piece of chicken because I like the chicken there. I haven't ate it for a long time, but I went there before. I wonder if the police car is watching me drive around. I think they're tracking me right now. I didn't want to look him in the face, so it didn't. See me driving around like this. I'm doing video. What are you doing here? I'm doing video. There's people shoveling the snow. That's good. They keep it nice and. You know, I guess it's warmer than this. Grocery store. There's that Vietnamese place I was going to eat at the other day, which I didn't. Hey, green light. Guys crossing a green light in this kind of condition, you're taking your life. You're taking a risk on your own life. Some guy walked across the street on a green light, and it's snowing, icy. So this is East Vancouver. East Vancouver. This is what it looks like in East Vancouver. So we're getting a bit of snow this last few days. So usually we don't get as much snow, but a lot of people say, well, how come? A lot of people think it doesn't snow in the West Coast, but it seems like the last few years the weather is colder in the winter on the West Coast. We'll have a bit of a white Christmas this year, even though it's not supposed to snow on the last couple of days before Christmas. But I think the snow will probably stay around. It's above 0 degrees over for the next 2 days, so we'll have a little white Christmas. So in the meantime, I'd like to wish all my viewers Merry Christmas and all the best in the new year, and take care of yourselves.